Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Amazon Fire HD10. Alright, so this is Amazon's most recent release of their Fire HD tablets. This one here is their newest one, HD10. Comes with a 10.1 inch screen, full HD. This model here has 32 gigabytes internal memory, has an octa-core processor, 2 gigahertz, micro SD slot up to 512 gigabytes. Also uses dual band Wi-Fi for fast internet connections. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like. Provides you with the easy unboxing experience here. All you gotta do is just tear off this tab and it pops right open. Alright, so you can tell right from opening it that Amazon is going for more of a widescreen experience here. So it's a 10.1 inch screen, full HD, includes Dolby Atmos, full surround speaker, has a front camera and a back camera on it. Got the Amazon logo on the back. They give you a nice matte finish. It's pretty heavy for a mid-range tablet. Alright, let's see what comes inside of here. So you got your wall outlet right here. Got a quick use guide. And a USB Type-C cable here. So if you want, you could also buy the 15-watt quick charge adapter. But I just decided to stick with whatever came in the box. Alright, just a quick setup guide. How to use the tablet. Simple stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and power it on. Taking a minute to turn on. Alright, quick setup. Alright guys, so got the tablet on, all the updates installed and everything. Alright, so just a quick overview. The screen is 10.1 inches, full HD 1080p. You got your power button on the top with a USB Type-C port here. Headphone jack. Got your volume up and down right here. Weird place to put it, but yeah, I guess they put it on top. You got your speaker on the side. Right, front camera. And also you have a rear camera. No flash though. Also, over here, it's your micro SD slot. Holds up to 512 gigabytes. Alright, so build quality of this device. For a device that's under $150, hands down, this is the best tablet out there around that price range. Build quality is amazing. Screen responsiveness is great. Everything responds smoothly. The tablet comes pre-installed with Amazon's own operating system. Doesn't come with Play Store or anything like that. I'll probably show you in a future video how to download the Google Play Store on your Amazon tablet. You got your own Amazon App Store here. Alright, they got a nice selection of apps. Alright, you got your browser, you got your Amazon app already installed. All your Amazon apps pre-installed already. From Amazon Audible to Amazon Photos, Amazon Music, Prime, all of that. Alright, I went ahead and installed a few apps here, Netflix and Twitter, just to show you guys how Alexa's voice recognition works. Hey Alexa, open up Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
And you can tell it's very responsive too. Pretty surprised, for a tablet around this price range. Hey Alexa, search for Amazon Fire HD10 tablet.
One moment. HD10 tablet 10.1 inches full HD display, 32 gigabytes black. It's $109.99.
All right, see?
Based
It
on
gives you
your
options too.
I found Amazon Fire HD10 tablet case, charcoal black.
So it automatically takes you to Amazon, see if you'd like to reorder or whatever, you know, your interests or whatever things you're interested in. So it makes reordering easier, which is of course the main interest for Amazon is for you to keep shopping with them, and which I think is really smart. Everything works smoothly together. The way they built this, I mean, I think for its price range, the best tablet out there. If you want to spend a few $100s more, go ahead and get the Apple tablets. But I think this will do everything that you need it to do. All right, show you guys a quick video. Well, I think it's actually pretty smart that they put the buttons on the side, on the top right here. So the main reason is when you hold your tablet like this, meant for it to be your entertainment system, you know. And it's meant to be held sideways like this because it's a 10.1-inch screen, and it makes it easier to put the volume up and down actually, instead of having to fumble for it down here. Very loud speaker, and it's not even all the way up yet. Very clear screen. Let's fast forward a bit. As you can see, it's really clear. I'm actually pretty impressed by this. Let's exit out of this. You got your home button down here. Square button here. Opens up all your previous apps. Just go ahead and slide to exit out. You can do documents on this. All right, and it's also, of course, a Kindle reader. So you just open up the Goodreads app and you'll have your books here. And you just start reading it like a regular book. All right, I also have one more thing for my tablet. I went ahead and ordered a case for it too, to see how the case works with it. All right, so this Fire HD cover. Go ahead and open it. It's a flip type cover. It also works as a stand too. So all you have to do is just go ahead, let it snap in. And here you go. The screen automatically locks once you close it. You open it up, it wakes up. Go ahead, slide it up to unlock. Here, you can have it stand somehow. Let's see. Let's try to make this stand. All right. I guess this is the most you can have it stand. You can't really flatten that out more than this, which I wish it would. So you'd have to just deal with it like this. Or you could have it portrait mode like this. Very flimsy. Honestly, this is just to protect the screen. It's not really meant to be a stand. Or it's not meant to be a good stand, that's for sure. Alright, so that's it for my unboxing for the Amazon Fire HD10. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead, leave a like, and go ahead and subscribe for more future videos. Thanks for watching. Till next time.